Hello, friend. Come sit with me. Today, I have a story for you. Not a happy story, not a sad story. A real story. The kind of story that lives inside every human heart. The kind of story you already know, even before I tell it. Are you ready? Then close your eyes for just one moment. Breathe in, breathe out, and listen. His name was Daniel. Daniel was a young man, 22 years old, full of dreams, big dreams. He wanted to travel. He wanted to see the world. He wanted to be somebody. And so one morning, a cold, quiet morning in October, he packed one bag. One small brown bag. He put in 2 shirts, 1 pair of shoes, a little money, and he walked out the door. His mother was standing in the garden. She was watering her flowers, red flowers, yellow flowers, the ones she grew every summer. She looked at him. She didn't cry. She just smiled, a small, tired smile, and she said, "Come back soon, Daniel. Come back soon." 3 words. Simple words. But Daniel was 22, and young people sometimes don't hear simple words. He kissed her cheek. He said, "I will, Mama, I will." And he walked away. Down the road, past the old tree, past the neighbor's gate. And just like that, he was gone. His mother stood in the garden. She watched the road for a long time, long after Daniel disappeared, long after the road was empty again. Then she turned back to her flowers, and she kept watering them, because that is what mothers do. They keep going, even when someone they love walks away. Daniel went far. He went to a big city, then another city, then another country. He worked hard. He studied. He made friends. He lost friends. He was busy, always busy. He called his mother sometimes, not every week, not every month, sometimes. And when he called, she always said the same thing. "I am fine, Daniel. Don't worry about me. How are you?" "I'm fine. Don't worry. How are you?" Always those words, always her voice, warm and soft, like bread fresh from the oven. And Daniel always said, "I'm good, Mama. I'm busy, but I'm good." I'm busy. That word, busy, it's such a small word, but sometimes it becomes a wall between you and the people you love. Daniel was busy for 5 years. 5 years of cities and work and noise and rushing. 5 years of, "I will visit soon." 5 years of, "Next month, Mama, I promise." But the months passed, like water, like wind, like everything that doesn't wait. One evening, a Tuesday evening in November, Daniel's phone rang. It was his aunt. Her voice was different, quiet, heavy, like a door closing slowly. She said, "Daniel, you need to come home." Daniel felt something cold move through his chest. He said, "What happened? Is Mama okay?" His aunt was silent for 1 second that lasted forever. And then she said, "She was asking for you, Daniel. At the end, she was asking for you." Daniel sat down. He didn't speak. He couldn't speak. Outside his window, a big, bright, noisy city was going on without him. Cars, lights, people laughing. The world didn't stop. The world never stops. But inside Daniel, everything went very, very quiet. Daniel took the first train home. He sat by the window. The fields passed by, brown and gray in the November light. And Daniel looked at them, but he didn't see them. He was seeing something else. He was seeing his mother in the garden, red flowers, yellow flowers, her small, tired smile. "Come back soon, Daniel." He put his hand over his mouth. He looked at the window, and for the first time in 5 years, Daniel cried. Not a little, not quietly. He cried the way people cry when they understand something too late, when they realize, "I had more time than I thought, and I used it on the wrong things." The train stopped. Daniel walked to the old house. The garden was still there, but the flowers, her flowers, were dry now, brown and bent, leaning sideways in the cold wind. Nobody had watered them. Daniel opened the gate. He walked through the garden. He touched one dry flower, gently, with one finger, and he whispered, "I came back, Mama. I came back." 3 words, the same 3 words she waited to hear for 5 years. But the house was silent. The kitchen was empty. The chair where she always sat, empty. The garden, empty. And Daniel understood. Finally, completely, painfully understood. He came back, but he came back too late. Inside the house, on the kitchen table, there was a letter. An envelope with 1 word on the front. Daniel. His handwriting. No, her handwriting. Her soft, round letters. He opened it with shaking hands. Inside, just a few sentences. Simple sentences. Short sentences. But every word was full, full to the top with love. She wrote, "My dear Daniel, I am so proud of you. You worked hard. You were brave. I watched you from far away and I smiled every time. Don't be sad, my love. Just remember one thing. The people you love, tell them. Today. Not tomorrow. Today. I love you, Daniel. Come home soon. Mama." Daniel read the letter once, then again, then again. He folded it carefully. He put it close to his heart, and he sat down in her chair, the empty chair, in the quiet kitchen, and he made himself one promise, one simple, quiet promise. I will not be too late again. Friend, that was Daniel's story. Maybe you know someone like Daniel. Maybe, just a little, you are Daniel. We are all a little bit Daniel. We are all busy. We all say next time and soon and I promise. But here's what this story asks you, quietly, gently. It asks you, who is waiting for you right now? Who is standing in a garden, watering flowers, hoping you will come back soon? Call them today, not tomorrow, today. Say the simple words, I love you, I miss you, I am thinking of you. You don't need perfect words. You don't need long sentences. You just need to say something before it's too late. And for your English, the same lesson is true. Don't wait until you are perfect. Don't wait until you know every word. Speak today with what you have right now, because the perfect moment doesn't come. You have to make the moment today. Thank you for listening, friend. You felt this story. That means you understood it. And understanding, even just feeling, that is English too. Come back tomorrow. 5 minutes, one story, one feeling. That is how your English grows and how your heart stays open. See you next time.